Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, please kindly click on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person or be among the first person to get notified on my new content. So basically, in this video, we're going to be discussing about post and earn software. Yeah, I should call it software. And then I'll be dropping my honest review about this particular software. And there are different ways probably you have come across the software and purchase it through Google or through Facebook, because it depends on where you actually find this software based on the ads pushed by the owners. Then, and of course, you might have purchased the software or trying to do more research before you proceed and purchase this particular post and earn software. So I think these are not really much about the software yet. So, and I'll be dropping my honest review in this video regarding the software. So if you come across this first article or first review which was made on this particular website, and as you can see here, this is an ad, and this is another person that make a video about the software. So, and this is the website for that first link which was ad. So many things was discussed here, and apparently I found the ads on Facebook, and I say that it sounds unique and something like new, and people are not really know much about it yet. So I just decided to, like, okay, let me just give this a trial, and then I proceed on all the necessary stuffs. So I watch and read these particular articles, and I see all the money here, which of course uh later, after purchase the software, everything is all about trick or something. So, but I'll be showing you everything you need to understand about this particular software, and if you decide to proceed and purchase this software on your own, so it's fine. But something that is actually that also add up to, like, me making this video was the fact that they claim to offer 30 days money back guarantee, and believe me, under 24 hours I try to request for my money back. There is no option to do that. So as you can see here, you can watch this video as well, which explain about the software, which is post and earn app. So, but don't worry, I'll show you everything you need to know about the software. So you might come to this web page to read everything about this article, so you understand more about the software on your own. So regarding all these particular screenshots, it's all like, it's not related to that post and end software at all. So I'll show you everything, don't worry. So if you read everything here, you see all the value, and here to post or to place an order. So this is now the landing page. This is the landing page, sorry. Okay, yeah. So if you click on this link here, you will end up here, which was the landing page for the post and earn website. So they have input everything here, which will just lead you to an affiliate website, which is Warrior Plus. So I'll show you the Warrior Plus as well. So, and from there you place your order, and then after you place your order, everything will be sent to your Warrior Plus account, and then you can proceed to register. So now, as you can see the landing page here already. So basically, this is a Warrior Plus page. It's not post and end page. This is a Warrior Plus, so it shows that this particular person and these people are selling a course, or I think you should understand more about affiliate marketing stuff. I don't really go deeper in it, but I understand some basic concept about the affiliate stuff. So all these people are promoting, and this is what they are making. So it's definitely different from post and end software. So these screenshots are just added to it. So it's different. No, now, so after this page, once you proceed to place your order, so you end up here. No, not here. Okay, this is another affiliate. This is another review page for the post and end. Sorry, this is another review page, which is landing page 2. So you can see here, you can see all the pages here. All the screenshots here are not for post and end software. It's for affiliate platform, which means the sales that the person that is promoting this software is making. So I don't know about that, and that is not what I'm actually trying to discuss in this video. But the reason why this person add all these screenshots, I actually don't understand, because it's different from what we are paying for. So now see this particular place here. They said post 5 times, get paid $185. So all these ones. So all these are just landing page. So you can see here, you can read everything. You can read everything. So now, proceeding from the fact which I'm trying to show here in this video. So now, let me check this place. Okay. So now, this is Warrior Plus, right? This is Warrior Plus. Sorry. Okay, now this is Warrior Plus. I'm trying to look for the software which was purchased, so you also can see purchase history. Okay, so you can see here, this is the 2 software, and I also purchased this particular second software, which they say they will give a bonus after you have registered, or after you have purchased the package, which is 21.95 cents. So you can see here, and believe me, nothing was given at the end of the day after adding this add-on to it. You can see this add-on, so nothing was given at the end of the day. So now, this is post and end website. As you can also see, that is what this person is showing in this video. I'm trying to look for the video. Oops. I'm trying to look for the video, so you get more understanding. Okay, as you can see here, you can see this page here. So you can see this page here too. So then see that this is the particular page for the post and end. So now this post and end page, it's just like a software which only analyze words or video that you are posting. So let me try to check if this is showing my videos. Wow, it's not even showing the video I have on the website, which I posted. So this was the dashboard, and then let me try to do something. As you can see here, when someone tries to, or when you are on a particular app, there is no reason why you are on that app, and that was the app they listed that you'll be earning money on it. So once you click on start here, it will redirect you to another website. So post a video. Click here to post your video. You can see here, this, if once I click on here, I expect this page to pop up or to direct me to my file manager or my PC to select the kind of video I actually want to upload. So once I click on here, it will redirect me to another website, as you can see here. So this is another entire website. It's not post and earn again. So, and if you watch the art video that the person made, all this, the page was blurry, or I should say it was cut out, so that you won't be able to see this particular website. And as you can see, I also cut out the URL, because probably that is what is using to make money from us. But for real, I will later drop the particular website URL. Once I say that I did not get my refund back, because I didn't see any reason why you will make a software and then someone will have to go outside the website which you claim that someone will be able to make money on it, and then you will introduce another website. And the most funniest part about this software is this redirected website. I actually know the website already. And it seems like what am I even hiding stuff? What am I hiding? So you can see here, Rumble. The website is just rumble.com. So this website is just for you to post video and earn. For real, the website is for you to post video and earn, but it's not the way they analyze the posting and earn. So you can't make a lot of that money they added to a screenshot or a video and claim you'll be making a lot of money with it. So now let's take, for instance, to get more ideas about it. So you can see this particular video, a baby thing eating ice cream is absolutely something. Let me click on it. So you see, this is just like YouTube as well. So this is almost 10,000 views, and the person was able to generate $66. Not bad, abi? Okay. So now let's now take, for instance, you just started your page and you post a video, which they made mention, once you post one video you will make $35 or $30. I'm trying to look for that particular post again, or particular analysis or something, so we all get the idea. So I also tell you one thing about upselling for this particular software, which is very, very out of it. Okay, now this is it. So how these secrets 129 million user platform pay us $37 every time we post. So this is a lie. This is a lie, because I posted one video, I make nothing. And this is just how the thing works. It's just like YouTube. If you are not gaining tons of views on your video, you are not making a dime on this particular website. So as you can see here, this is everything about the Rumble website, which was listed and claimed you can actually make $37 on each post you make or posted on this particular platform. And for this website, once you are able to get redirected from here, there is no useful of this post and earn website again. It has no use again, because it's not here you will be posting your videos or adding what do I call, or adding your payment option. So this post and earn, it's totally different from Rumble. This particular website, they are totally different, but I'm just trying to show you in details about this particular software before it takes your ad in, because probably you might be thinking of making money once you get started about this once you purchase this software. And the funnest part about this upselling is they will also claim that they will help you to set up your profile and upload video on your behalf, and they charge, like how much they even charge. Okay, I think this is front end, but the price that was shown, okay, I think this was the price, which was $1,000 if you want them to be posting on your channel or your page on your behalf, which sounds so ridiculous to me though. I don't know about you. So this is all I have for you about this particular software. And then if you decide to still purchase the software after watching this video, it's totally fine. I'm just trying to drop my own honest review about post and earn software. So I hope you guys learn one or two things from watching this video, and let me know what you think about it on the comment section, and I will definitely reply to it. Thank you.